guys, it's Brett back in the shop with the Camaro after an awesome season of racing. Thank you again so much for following along. We appreciate every one of you who's followed us on our Facebook page and on our Instagram, so thank you so much. This was a great season. So, if you haven't heard, we're putting a new motor in for next season, which is really exciting. We're getting it a little bigger, a little bit better. So we're gonna be taking this motor out. So I'm gonna start on that today, just getting some of the hoses and things off, taking the plug wires off. But first, I'm gonna go disconnect the battery, and then we're taking the alternator out. So let's get to it. All right, now that the battery's disconnected, I can go ahead and take out the alternator. It's not even close to how I was planning on doing this. All right, so now that the alternator's out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the breathers off. But first I'm just gonna take the plug wires out just to get them out of the way, taking the breathers off, and then taking this catch can out because it's gonna be in our way when we take the motor out. Before I pull the rest of these out, I just want to show you guys how much work these Thermotech plug wire sleeves did this season. We didn't have to change plug wires once this season. They didn't get cracked, they didn't heat up too much. They definitely took a little heat because it is hot down there by the headers. But these guys, these sleeves protected them all season and did a really good job. This is the only set we've had all season. They did great. So we appreciate Thermotech and their products. Okay, so making our way around, I'm gonna go ahead and take the last 4 of the plug wires off, and then I'm gonna take the carb off, starting with the fuel lines. Smells like food. Okay, so I've got my pliers and I'm going to disconnect the throttle cable. All right. Okay, so now that the carb is off, I've covered up the intake and put a little tape over the breather, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the second breather off.
Yeah, this one's usually full.
All right, so that's just about all for the first step of getting this motor ready to take out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just gonna quickly take these plug wires out and get those ready. And tune in next time, we're gonna drain the coolant out of the radiator and out of the block. And we'll be just about ready to take this out. So thanks again for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you guys next time.